Apocalypse Supertruck. In an audacious leap forward in the realm of high-performance vehicles, Burtal Vehicles introduces its latest marvel, the Apocalypse Supertruck. This behemoth isn't merely a vehicle, it's a declaration of dominance over every conceivable terrain. Powering this colossus is the apocalyptic-tuned Hellfire 6.2-liter supercharged V8 Hemi Hellcat engine, a powerhouse that unleashes a staggering 850 horsepower. It's engineered not just to tackle, but to literally devour rugged landscapes with an insatiable ferocity. Visually, the truck is a masterclass in intimidating design, featuring a formidable custom-made solid front grumper and dramatic bat wing-like fenders that stretch both front and rear, crafting an unmistakable and daunting road presence. Beyond its brute strength and aggressive aesthetics, the Apocalypse Supertruck is a sanctuary of luxury and advanced functionality. The cabin, spacious enough to comfortably seat up to 5 adults over 7 feet tall, is adorned with custom marine-grade leather that offers durability without compromising on elegance. This vehicle transforms into a rolling fortress with its automated slant-back bed cover, which not only adds a sleek, streamlined look but also provides a secure, lockable storage solution for the adventurous family or crew on the go. Furthermore, its 40-inch tires mounted on robust 22-inch SFJ wheels ensure that the Apocalypse Supertruck not only stands out in a crowd but also stands above it, while the locking differentials and Dana 60 axles guarantee that no environment is too challenging. This truck melds raw power with refined style, setting a new benchmark in the world of luxury off-road vehicles. Norra 500. In the unforgiving landscapes of Baja California, the Secandi Racing 6142 stands out as a titan among off-road vehicles. Built by the renowned Geyser Bros, this rugged machine is a staple in the Norra 500, an exhilarating race that tests the mettle of both driver and vehicle against some of the most challenging desert terrain in North America. The 6142, competing in the highly competitive Evolution 610 class, is engineered to dominate with its advanced suspension systems and a powerful engine designed to deliver peak performance under extreme conditions. Its robust frame and meticulously calibrated handling allow it to navigate through treacherous sand dunes, over large rocks, and across arduous dirt paths that would be impassable to lesser vehicles. The Secandi Racing Team, a group admired for their grit and engineering prowess, has continuously refined the 6142 to ensure it not only survives, but thrives in the harsh environments of off-road racing. The vehicle's performance is a testament to their dedication, showcasing a perfect blend of speed, stability, and durability. At the heart of the 6142's appeal is its thunderous engine roar, a sound that heralds its arrival and stirs the spirits of race enthusiasts gathered to witness the spectacle of the Norra 500. Each race is not just a competition but a dramatic battle against the elements, where the Secandi Racing 6142 has proven time and again that it is not merely participating but aiming to conquer, reinforced by a team whose commitment to excellence is as unyielding as the vehicle they field. Batman's Lamborghini Tumbler. In the cinematic world of Gotham, few vehicles command the awe and fear inspired by the Tumbler, Batman's formidable vehicle from Christopher Nolan's critically acclaimed Dark Knight trilogy. More than just a symbol of the Caped Crusader's might, the Tumbler merges the sleek aesthetics of a Lamborghini with the rugged functionality of a military tank. This vehicular leviathan stretches 4.62 meters in length and 2.79 meters in width, standing 1.5 meters tall, a stark departure from the traditional, streamlined Batmobiles of previous iterations. Unlike the ornamental props typical of film sets, the Tumbler is a fully operational beast, equipped to roar past the 100 mph mark with an acceleration of 0 to 60 mph in a blistering 5 seconds. Crafted with a robust tube frame chassis and clad in lightweight carbon fiber body panels, it combines durability with speed, all powered by a high-octane Wayne Enterprises tuned Chevy V8 engine. The engineering behind the Tumbler is as innovative as it is impressive. It rolls on 4 gargantuan 37-inch rear tires, evoking the raw power and unstoppable force of Batman himself. Designed not only for high-speed chases but also for tactical utility, the Tumbler can execute jumps of up to 30 feet. Thanks to its sturdy construction and powerful propulsion system, each unit carries a staggering price tag of approximately $250,000 with 4 different versions created for various production needs, 1 outfitted for detailed cockpit shots, 2 designed for intense action sequences, and another equipped with an actual jet engine for the ultimate display of power. This vehicle doesn't just transport Batman, it serves as an emblem of his relentless pursuit of justice and his battle against the forces that threaten Gotham. As such, the Tumbler Tumbler is not merely a means of transportation, it's an integral component of Batman's arsenal, symbolizing the fusion of cutting-edge technology and indomitable spirit that defines the Dark Knight. Kamaz. The Kamaz 43509K stands as a titan in the world of off-road racing, specifically shining in the grueling environments of the Dakar Rally. Engineered for extreme endurance and performance, this Russian beast of the truck category showcases an extraordinary 1,150 horsepower emanating from its robust 13-liter 6-cylinder turbocharged engine. Such raw power significantly eclipses that of a typical family car, generating nearly 10 times the horsepower of a standard hatchback. This high-performance machine is designed to conquer the toughest terrains and the most unforgiving conditions, equipped with a colossal 1,000-liter fuel tank that perfectly complements its power by ensuring a longer range without frequent refueling. The Kamaz 43509K's design is as strategic as it is powerful. Each of its massive wheels tips the scales at about 150 kilograms, supporting a total weight of 9.5 tons that stamps authority over rugged landscapes. Despite its heavy weight, the truck maintains an impeccable 50-50 weight distribution, a feature uncommon in conventional trucks but critical for maintaining balance and handling in the varied and often perilous terrains of the Dakar Rally. Additionally, the Kamaz Master Truck, with its sophisticated four-wheel drive system, has clinched 16 Dakar Rally victories, making it the most successful manufacturer in the history of the rally. This record not only speaks to its durability and superior engineering but also to its iconic status in the realm of international rally racing, where it continues to be a formidable force year after year. MegaRamRunner. In a spectacular display of automotive prowess, the MegaRamRunner took on the formidable Hell's Gate, a notorious obstacle in the rugged terrain of Moab, Utah, during the annual Easter Jeep Safari. This event, famed for drawing off-road enthusiasts from across the globe, witnessed the sheer might of the MegaRamRunner as it faced off against nature's most challenging conditions. Equipped with towering 46-inch tires and a robust suspension system designed to handle extreme impact, the MegaRamRunner demonstrated its capability to conquer steep inclines and rocky paths that would immobilize lesser vehicles. Its custom-built, heavy-duty framework, fortified for precisely these adrenaline-pumping adventures, proved indispensable as the vehicle maneuvered through the treacherous course. Despite encountering harsh conditions that resulted in minor damage to its rear dually fenders, the MegaRamRunner maintained remarkable traction and power throughout the ordeal. The vehicle's design features, including a powerful engine and enhanced torque delivery, played a critical role in its performance, ensuring it could push through the punishing terrain without faltering. Behind the wheel, the driver exhibited a masterful blend of caution and courage, strategically navigating to minimize potential body damage, a testament to both human skill and vehicular resilience. This thrilling excursion not only underscored the MegaRamRunner's rugged capabilities, but also captivated the audience with a vivid demonstration of man and machine working in perfect harmony to dominate some of the most challenging landscapes nature has to offer. Lynx Snowmobiles. The Lynx Brutal Race Snowmobile, introduced by BRP, redefines what enthusiasts can expect from a high-performance snowmobile. This formidable machine, available with the choice of two powerful engines, caters to the most demanding of winter environments. Customers can opt for the Rotax 900 Ace Turbo R engine, delivering explosive power and responsiveness, or the Rotax 850 E-Tech, known for its robust performance and fuel efficiency. The integration of these engines into the Brutal Race design facilitates a seamless blend of speed and control, allowing riders to push the limits of both deep snow exploration and aggressive trail riding. Further enhancing its credentials as a top-tier crossover snowmobile, the Brutal Race features advanced engineering in its suspension and chassis design. The PPSDS Plus rear suspension, complete with a high-profile track and premium KYB Kashima shocks, offers superior stability and shock absorption. This system not only improves traction but also ensures a smoother ride across varying terrains, from untouched snowfields to well-traveled paths. Starting at a price of $21,399 for the 500mm track version and ascending to $22,949 for customized models, the Lynx Brutal Race stands as a testament to cutting-edge innovation in snowmobile technology. With this snowmobile, the thrill of conquering the harshest winter landscapes becomes not only possible but inevitable. Gros monster truck in a stunning display of automotive excess, the Bigfoot 5, officially recognized as the world's largest monster truck, continues to captivate car enthusiasts and spectators alike. Constructed in 1986 by the pioneering spirit of Bob Chandler, the Missouri-based inventor of the monster truck genre, Bigfoot 5 stands a towering 4.7 meters tall. The sheer scale of this mechanical behemoth is underpinned by a weight of 17,236 kilograms, making it not just a spectacle in size but also a marvel in engineering. The most jaw-dropping feature of the Bigfoot 5 are its gargantuan tires. Each tire measures over 3 meters in height, the kind originally designed for use on an Alaskan land train, a Cold War-era military vehicle built for transporting cargo across the Arctic terrain. These massive rubber feet contribute significantly to the truck's impressive stature and are integral in defining its iconic silhouette. Beyond its size, Bigfoot 5 is a key attraction at car shows and has inspired a passionate following among monster truck aficionados, securing its place not only in the record books but also in the hearts of its fans across the globe. RockRat. In an awe-inspiring display of mechanical prowess and innovative engineering, the Project RockRat has been unveiled as a monstrous off-road vehicle tailored for the most rugged terrains. This brutal beast was brought to life in a compelling full-length feature by Hawk Unlimited, showcasing the step-by-step evolution of what might just be the ultimate rock crawling machine. Constructed with precision and creativity, the RockRat is a collaboration between some of the most respected names in off-road gear, including River Raider, known for their durable off-road parts, Hawk Designs, which specializes in custom builds that blend performance with jaw-dropping aesthetics, and BMW, a digital design firm that contributed to the vehicle's cutting-edge look and functionalities. The RockRat is not merely a vehicle, it's a testament to the possibilities of modern automotive design when pushed to its limits. From its engine to its exhaust, every component is optimized for maximum performance in extreme conditions. The vehicle features a custom suspension system that can handle the roughest of landscapes, and a body that combines strength with a surprisingly sleek design, making it as visually arresting as it is capable. With its powerful engine, the RockRat delivers a thrilling experience, capable of conquering steep rocks and treacherous paths with ease. As off-road enthusiasts seek out vehicles that can both perform and inspire, the Project RockRat stands out as a prime example of what happens when innovation meets the wild. LyteHorse. In an age where sustainability meets innovation, the LyteHorse LH4 stand-up electric ATV is breaking new ground in the realm of outdoor adventure. This cutting-edge vehicle, which uniquely combines the concepts of a stand-up transporter, an all-terrain vehicle, and an electric vehicle, is designed for enthusiasts seeking an immersive experience in the great outdoors. Unlike traditional ATVs that rely on gasoline, the LyteHorse operates entirely on electric power, ensuring a silent ride that harmonizes with the environment. This feature is particularly appealing to nature lovers who prefer to explore without the disruptive noise and emissions associated with conventional ATVs. The design of the LyteHorse LH4 emphasizes both functionality and environmental responsibility. With its sleek, minimalist structure, the vehicle boasts significantly fewer moving parts than its gas-powered predecessors, reducing the likelihood of mechanical failures and decreasing maintenance costs. This streamlined construction not only enhances reliability, but also contributes to a lighter environmental footprint, aligning with the growing consumer demand for eco-friendly transportation options. Additionally, the LyteHorse's ability to stand and maneuver offers a new dimension of freedom and flexibility, enabling riders to navigate through diverse terrains with ease and precision. As adventurers seek out new and responsible ways to explore, the LyteHorse LH4 stands out as a pioneering solution that redefines the boundaries of outdoor mobility. Vietnamese Batpod. In a striking tribute to the Dark Knight, Nguyen Dak Chung, a Vietnamese architecture student and avid Batman enthusiast, has ingeniously crafted a fully functional replica of the Batpod, Batman's famed motorcycle. This extraordinary endeavor took Chung over half a year to complete, with considerable assistance from a dedicated group of friends who shared his vision. The replica, which mirrors the sophisticated design and imposing presence of the original vehicle seen in the Batman film, measures an impressive 3 meters in length, 80 centimeters in width, and stands 90 centimeters tall, tipping the scales at 250 kilograms. Chung's Batpod is predominantly constructed from iron, featuring a sturdy steel chassis for added durability, while incorporating plastic armrests and replica guns to enhance its cinematic authenticity. Under the hood, this Vietnamese Batpod is powered by an electric engine, allowing it to achieve speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, quite a feat for a homemade vehicle of such magnitude and complexity. One of the most innovative aspects of Chung's creation is its ability to self-balance, a feature that eliminates the need for a traditional stand or any additional support. Riders of the Batpod experience a unique challenge, as they must lie almost parallel to the ground along the body of the vehicle, mimicking the dynamic riding style of Batman himself. The project, which concluded at a cost of approximately 200 million Vietnamese dong, showcases not only Chung's dedication and technical skill but also the feasibility of creating high-concept, cinematic vehicles on a budget. This Batpod not only serves as a spectacular homage to the superhero genre but also stands as a testament to the innovation and creativity flourishing in Vietnam's young technical talent. Wazuma V8M. In the world of high-performance vehicles, the Lazareth Wazuma V8M stands out as a daring innovation that pushes the boundaries of automotive design. The brainchild of the French custom vehicle builder Ludovic Lazareth, this machine is a fusion of sheer power and avant-garde aesthetics. It draws its inspiration from the previously acclaimed LM847, sharing its bold approach but advancing a step further with an intriguing wheel configuration. Unlike a traditional trike, the Wazuma V8M sports 4 wheels, 2 closely set wheels at the back and 2 at the front, giving it a unique stance that blurs the line between a car and a motorcycle. This design choice not only contributes to a visually striking appearance but also enhances the vehicle's stability and handling, allowing it to tackle high speeds with confidence. Under the hood, the Wazuma V8M is just as extraordinary. It is equipped with a robust 4.7-liter V8 engine that delivers an impressive 460 horsepower and 520 pounds-ft of torque, distinguishing it from any traditional trike on the market. This engine configuration ensures that the Wazuma V8M isn't just about looks, it's about earth-shattering performance that can rival some of the best sports cars. The body of the trike further complements its fierce capabilities. Decked out in high-quality materials such as carbon fiber, leather, and Alcantara from Leliver, Paris, it exudes luxury and aggression in equal measure. This combination of high-end materials not only adds to the aesthetic and tactile appeal but also contributes to the vehicle's overall lightweight structure, crucial for its agility and speed. The Wazuma V8M is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of extreme engineering and design, a rare beast in the automotive landscape that offers a visceral riding experience reminiscent of a Batmobile brought to life. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest invention and tech gadgets reviews. Stay curious and keep exploring with us.